Hi everyone, I'm Jerry and I was just sent this retractable awning, which is going to work hopefully great above where I have my barbecue grill because it is not covered and I've always kind of wanted to have it covered. This says it's an easy installation. It does come in several parts. This is how it comes in the box. All the parts are nicely labeled. They were all packaged very nicely in the box. This one in particular is 59 inches wide. And it's nice because it's an adjustable awning height that you can press it up underneath an eave of your house. It goes anywhere from 82 to 118 inches, so it does have quite a bit of flexibility there. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is just go ahead and do the quick assembly here, take it out and show you how we're going to install it. Yeah, I'm going to go ahead and slide this down over the top of this piece here. We're going to go ahead and put this awning part on here and get that ready to go. I'm going to kind of slide it down just a little bit so I can still put the top cap on. You want to get it as pretty close as you can to the top, and the bottom will adjust a little bit to push it then up to secure it in with the tension. And you just tighten this part down once it gets a little tension up there, and that'll adjust it. Tighten it in, give it some pressure. We're going to do the same thing with the other side. And just like that, you've got a retractable awning that you can bring out and adjust. Now once you get it adjusted out, this is UV resistant, it's wind resistant, water resistant. You can bring this thing out here like this. You can then take these pieces here. They have adjustments on these that you can push a button and adjust these to different settings. So if you're wanting to adjust them up, do that, like that, and you've got yourself a nice little awning. Bring it back, you just push these buttons in and these pieces will slide back like so. Do that on both sides until the thing comes all the way in. And then using your piece here, we're just going to go ahead and crank it back up. And again, these come in a lot of different widths. This one is one of the smaller ones, only 59 inches wide, but they do come in a lot wider widths. And so it would allow you to kind of customize it towards your area there.